Helo, shwmae a chroeso nôl unwaith eto I ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello, shwmae and welcome back once again to Welsh Wednesdays. This is part 4 of our series of teaching you different Welsh language phrases that you can use at work and in the office. But this week is just a little bit different. Now, while we all work, we may not always find ourselves in the office. So this week, I'm going to teach you 2 new phrases to use while you're working from home. Rydw i'n gweithio o adref. I am working from home. Unwaith eto. One more time. Rydw i'n gweithio o adref. I am working from home. Rydw i'n mynd am frêc. I am going for a break. Unwaith eto. One more time. Rydw i'n mynd am frêc. I am going for a break. So there you go, a couple of new phrases to use in Welsh with your colleagues, whether you're in work or working from home. Tiwniwch mewn wythnos nesa am bennod arall o Dydd Mercher Cymraeg. Tune in next week for another episode of Welsh Wednesdays. Hwyl am y tro. Goodbye for now.